Okay, I want to cook the best lentejitas on the world. This, I just put lentejitas, water, and potatoes. It has a lot of proteins. This is oil, regular oil. We have ají panca, made in Peru. You can find this in Publix. Garlic, and we just make something here. You have to move this, you have to move this. I'm the best chef on the world. This is lentejitas and potatoes. That's all. What? So we're gonna do this. I think so. Okay. Here. Okay. This is almost ready. Lentejitas a lo peruano. Okay, we want to put all of these things here. Hola. Okay, so now we just mixing so they can have flavor. Now some medium. This. Make this boil, and we have to cut the pork. I cannot hold my phone. Sorry.